Hey y'all, welcome back to yet another video. Excuse the appearance, it's Sunday and it's work day. So I'm actually in our master bathroom. So I'm gonna go ahead and input a video. I believe I do have footage of how the bathroom looked. If not, I actually have pictures because I remember doing a clean video and showing you guys the bathroom. So what we really want to do, we're not doing as of yet, but eventually we are planning to go ahead and redo our shower as well as the hardware in the shower, but that's for another day and another pocket of money, okay? So what we're gonna do today is, well, my boyfriend actually already took down the cabinet, so the picture in which I'm gonna show you guys, you would see how the bathroom looked before him taking it down. This is the cabinet under the sink. When we did move here, everything was brown and we actually went ahead and painted it this beautiful midnight blue. I will try to remember the name and go ahead and link it, tag it here in the video so you know what color this is if you would like it for your place, but it's a very, very nice blue. And then the medicine cabinet was also there. So I wanted to go ahead and basically change up the look of the bathroom. I mean, we've been here for 2 years now, well, about to be 3 years, and I'm over the blue, so I wanted to go ahead and give it this nice modern kind of look. So we went ahead and got some shelving. I went ahead and purchased the shelf, floating shelf from Target, and it was $30 each. I picked up 2 of them, and this one is the 24-inch. It is in the pine color, but I think I am gonna go ahead and paint it as well, the black. I went ahead and got the color Blackout from BEHR. So you'll go ahead and see that also in this video. So we're gonna do that. Babe actually went ahead and painted over the walls. This was more of like a cream, but we went ahead and painted it white. And it's so much brighter in here and awesome. I'm annoyed with the shelving inside of the bathroom, of the shower, because it's actually crooked. And this one, as you can see, even broke. So I did get some containers to just switch out the shampoo and conditioner and try to, like, you know, to get away from the big bulky looking containers. But it's not much we can really do in here. But for the most part, at least the outside part of the back of the tub would feel much newer, and I think it would change the way I feel about the shower itself. This is exciting, you guys will see, so I wanted to just go ahead and show you the before and after, and hopefully it comes out the way I envision it. So yeah, let's get to it. Babe is finishing that wall because he's gonna have to do 2 coats, so that's gonna have to dry. I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint this bad boy on here. Last time I did it on the floor, and some of the paint actually, spray paint got on our white cabinets, so that wasn't good. But as you can see, I already used it because I went ahead and spray painted some decor pieces for the house. which you should see in one video, I don't know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place it here. Gonna hide the cords inside. So I'm going ahead and using the satin.
All right, y'all, so this is the top part of the fixture that I just spray painted. I'm gonna wait for that to dry. And then I'm gonna flip it over to do underneath. I should have put tape here because a little bit of the spray paint did get in there, like I thought. But that's fine. But it's looking good already. I'm excited.
All right, y'all, so everything is like going wrong right now, and I'm in a bad mood. My boyfriend is in a bad mood. So basically, the knobs that I cannot find, that I cannot even remember that he gave me to hold for the actual fixture that I just spray painted, it needs it. And from what I understand, they don't sell it separately. You just have to buy a whole new fixture, which is crazy to me. So we're about to head to Home Depot. And while, as I showed you, while he was taking off the bar off of the shower door, one of the screws broke because it wasn't installed properly to begin with, and it broke off. So now we just gotta get new rods. So this is costing us, I mean, it's not tremendously a lot of money, but I basically just wasted my time to spray paint something to say I did. And now we just gotta buy a new bar. I still have to spray paint the border part of the shower when we come back. So I do need to get some paper because we'll have to basically blue tape some newspaper or something around the glass part so the spray paint won't get on the glass. But yeah, all my hard work and my spray paint on the fixture is kind of a lost cause, unless when we get to Home Depot they do actually sell the hardware separately, which would be awesome. So yeah, so we're about to head to Home Depot. I'll bring you guys along with us. Babe is kind of in the funk now because, you know, it's just kind of discouraging and annoying with dealing with stuff like that. But this is a part of home ownership, I guess, right? All right, y'all, so we're in Home Depot. So we think we're gonna return the octagon mirror. So we found this mirror here, and it's literally like $18 more, and it's more border. Doesn't have the border, and then I'll just have to probably spray paint this block. And the mirror I got from Target is $60. So $18 more. I'll go ahead and return the ones from Target and get that. And then we found, we're gonna see if the shower head here from Glacier Bay is what we can swap out for our shower. So yeah, so the guy's helping us to get the fixture from up there because the shelves down here is empty. So yeah. So I'll see you guys when we get back home. You are so sexy.
Well, I want to thank you. Thank you very much. You like my smile?
Yes, babe. That's why I'm with you.
Thank you.
So babe went ahead and took the hardware off of the rod. That's for the shower. And then this piece is for the mirror that we purchased. Yeah, so I'm gonna spray paint those. Alright y'all, so this is the first layer. What I like about the farmhouse black is that it still allows the wood grain to come through. So that's good. I don't know if you can see it, but this is only the first coat. But I think I'm gonna have to do the top layer as a satin only because it is going in the bathroom and the moisture. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do the satin on top because the moisture will kind of mess up the mat, I believe. Not sure. But these are looking dry, looking really, really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. Babe is putting the blue tape up on the shower, so let's go ahead and see what he's doing. All right, y'all, so now that babe is done doing the shower, I'm going ahead and basically spray awaying the glass part that's around the fixture that he put the fixture back up. Just going ahead and replacing that, and then heading over to doing my part of the job, which is painting the cabinet. I just basically put the blue tape wherever I knew I did not want the black paint to touch, as well as protecting the walls for sure, being that babe went ahead and painted over the bathroom. Is it just me, or is this so soothing? Like, I love watching people throw paint into containers. I don't know what it is, but I really enjoy watching videos like this, and that's why it just made me so much more excited to record for you guys. And I'm so ecstatic to show you guys the finished product. All right, y'all, so this is the next day. I went ahead and had to make another run to Home Depot to get the brush, just to get the corners that the Rolly brush wasn't able to get, and just finishing up the last finished parts of my DIY.
All right, y'all, so finally we are at the end of this video. If you made it this far, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Please do not forget to go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and subscribe before leaving. Become a part of the family, y'all. Okay, so I'm standing in front of our bathroom Of course, there's a few things that still are not done. However, I am absolutely in love. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the finished product. All right, y'all, so before we get to the bathroom, this is how it looked when we purchased the house. The next look is how we changed it, and now how it looks today. All right, y'all, so this is pretty much the final results of my master bathroom makeover, y'all. There go the containers that I spray painted the lids, but pretty much this is it. I love the shelving. I feel as though it helps the bathroom to feel much bigger, because with the cabinet over the toilet, with the medicine cabinet and the cabinet under the sink, it was just too much. The bathroom is on the small side, so I didn't need all that, but adding the shelving definitely helps and the bathroom feel much lighter and more spacious for sure. You guys go ahead and like this video, comment down below and let me know what you guys think of the renovation. For something like this for less than $200, $300, it was great. See you guys in the next video. Peace.